Hi and welcome to the first demo of Sonore Direct Lite. In this demo, I will just tell you how to basically sign up and then sign in into the account. So this is the first screen that you will see when you log on to our website. To sign up, since you're a new customer, all you have to do is click here, type in the name of your organization. Let's say it is your name, your email ID, and your password. Retype your password for a confirmation and enter your phone number. Accept the terms of services and say sign up. Now what happens is you get an email for your confirmation link. So you need to log on to your email and then confirm the link and then come back in. So that's it for signing up.